Hello, dear friends of the internet. It is me, Edward, and today I'm going to reveal to you how many refrigerator magnets we bought on our trip to Italy. Muy buenas tardes, nuestros queridos amigos del internet. Soy yo, Edward, y hoy voy a revelar cuántos imanes nosotros compramos en nuestro viaje a Italia. Mira, aquí se puede ver nuestra colección de imanes. Here we can see our refrigerator magnets, the entire collection. And starting here and going down to there and over to there and up to there, not including this one, but all of the ones in this area are the ones that we got in Italy. Estos son los imanes que nosotros compramos en Italia. And so let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So there you go. There are 28 refrigerator magnets. Existe 28 imanes que nosotros compramos ahí en Italia. So let's take a look here at the results. You can see here there are 28 magnets, and these are the players who guessed. You can see that this is the guesses on the first video. This is the guesses on the second video where we requested guesses, and nobody got the correct answer. But we're going to do something to give away some dash anyway. The three closest ones, which are this one from Pascal Mayer. He guessed 33, which is over by 5. Armando Barajen Relosa, he guessed 21, which is under by 7. And Sherwin Pereira, he guessed 34, which is over by 6. What we're going to do is we're going to give 1/3 of 0.1 dash to each one of those guys for getting close. Okay? They didn't get really close, but they got close enough. And that means that we will be giving 0.0333333 dash to each one of those guys. Para explicar en español, nadie ganó, nadie adivinó el número correcto, que fue 28. Entonces vamos a dividir 0.1 dash a las 3 personas que llegaron lo más cerca. Y ahí están, cada persona va a recibir 0.033333 dash. Gracias por ver este video y nos vemos pronto. Ciao, thanks for watching, bye.